Tropical soda apple is the greatest weed threat to agriculture in northeast New South Wales. In order to prevent the spread of this devastating species, landholders are encouraged to learn how to identify tropical soda apple, as well as adopt the use of quarantine paddocks in their farm setup. Tropical soda apple spreads via cattle movement. The weed could unknowingly be introduced onto your property through new stock introductions. To prevent this, the North Coast Weeds Advisory Committee promotes the use of a quarantine paddock. A quarantine paddock is a small paddock in a central location, which is used to keep new stock separate from the herd. As you can see, the holding paddock on this property is in a regularly monitored location so that new weed infestations can be identified quickly and acted upon. It also has a cattle corridor linking the holding paddock to all other paddocks to aid with easy stock movement. By holding new stock in these quarantine paddocks for 7 to 10 days, it allows all weed seed, whether it be tropical soda apple or any other weed type, to pass through the animals in the quarantine paddock only and not throughout your entire property. The quarantine period also provides a great opportunity to conduct any vaccination and drenching treatments. Being able to correctly identify tropical soda apple is an essential skill to have when preventing the weed from infesting your property. Key identifying features include the growth habit of the plant, which is a 1 to 2 metre high erect shrub, the cream-coloured thorns, which are around 12 millimetres long and located on the stems and leaves, the hairy, lobed leaves, which are velvety to the touch, the flowers, which are small, white and have 5 distinct petals, and the fruit, which is around golf ball size and ripens to a bright yellow colour. Landowners must also be aware of other similar Solanum species. These include giant devil's fig. Giant devil's fig grows much larger than tropical soda apple and the fruit develops in small clusters. Devil's apple. This species has a much shinier leaf than tropical soda apple. The fruit also ripens to a red colour as opposed to tropical soda apple's yellow. There are also a number of native and introduced Solanum species which have a purple flower rather than the white flowers of tropical soda apple. For any further assistance in identification, please visit www.looklearnact.com, visit our Facebook page, or call your local council. By following these simple steps, we can prevent the spread of tropical soda apple throughout our region. Look, learn, act, and let's help to keep the North Coast beautiful, productive, and weed-free.